Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a first impression of this palette right here, Aesthetica, and this is the palette Be Bold. If you're new to my channel, my first impressions is where I try to put every shade in the palette on my eyeballs just to get a feel of the palette, not so much for a look, not copying a look, just to see if the shadows are any good. That's it. So if you did not see it already, I got this palette in a mystery box from GlitzGlamBox. They had some mystery boxes, bags, whatever you want to call it, on their website, and I ordered some. So there it is. So let's go ahead and look inside the palette. That is the colors. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those and be right back. Alright, so those are the colors swatched. You can see we've got a good mix of things going on here, but they are very pretty. I like the fact that they're overall neutral, but you got these three colors that pop. I think that's a nice touch. Let's see if the names are listed here. Names are not listed here, so we're just going to go with it. And the first one I am going to use is going to be this one right here. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this one right here. Okay, so now I think I'm going to buff it out with this shade right here. Okay, so now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in with this color here and do the outer bottom part of my lid. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, next color I'm going to go in with is this one right here. Alright, next color is going to be this yellow right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go right into the bottom part of my eyes, back in with this yellow color right here. Alright, next color I'm going to go in with is this blue one right here. Now we're going to go in with this green right here. We are going to darken up the creases a little bit with this black color here. There's quite a bit going on, but I think it looks pretty good. So we're gonna go in with Marc Jacobs. This is, I believe this is Wine. Yeah, and that's gonna go in the bottom waterline. And for the top, we are going to use Girl Lactic. And the reason I'm using Wine in the bottom is I want these bottom colors to pop a little bit more, and that little bit of color is gonna do just that. eyeliner is done. Now we're going to go in with Marc Jacobs. This is, was it Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. That is what we're using. Eyes are done. We're going to put on some liquid lip. This is the Glam White one that was in the mystery boxes that I had got. This is in shade Bon Appetit. Okay, so there is the finished look. Let's go ahead and talk about this palette. Okay, so they swatched beautifully, as you can see, and I'm really liking the metallics, so that's pretty. I did not experience any fallout. It doesn't really look like there was really much kick up, anything funky like that going in the pan, so I have to say I'm really pleased with this formula. It just applied really nicely, felt really smooth, blended beautifully, and I think it turned out great. So that is it on this palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.